This is a comparison of a Solar Ready VDX server compared to a Dell file server. Just a quick comparison of turning it on, how long it takes and how much energy is used. So we go to the Solar Ready server, monitor's already on, turn the computer on. So from time switch on, runs through diagnostics. And then if anybody wants to time it, rest this on a tripod. That's it. Server's up, available to use for the users. Again. Okay, one file server up. We just nip across to the other one. Same sort of thing, but a Dell. Now Dell's plugged into a UPS. The Solar Ready has a effectively UPS built into it, but we'll turn the Dell box on. Makes a lot more noise than one of our boxes. And then we wait. 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 So whilst that one is turning on because the screen's still trying to boot up with the firmware, etc., we'll take this other one. So this one is powered from the solar panel in the window, which I'll show you in a moment. But if we turn this one on, yeah, lights come on. Should make a diagnostic bleep to let you know that it's happy, like that. And then go to the firmware, just like the Dell's doing. And that's it. The machine's now in use and ready, available for users. So that's loaded. The Dell box is still at that stage. It's currently taking in energy 145, I don't know if you can see that, £145 a year, just turning on with it actually being in use. This one, no meter on it because it's running off solar. This one, currently with charging, £74, and that's for the monitor as well. But round the back, we've got this indoor solar panel, which is taking the energy from the sun outside, dropping from that cable into our box of tricks over there. And the other ones, we've got the mains cable down here that runs down and running into a Belkin box there, and the far end of the Dell is doing the same. So the Dell, the power is coming out of there, going into the UPS and the monitor, and running. So just those devices, and the same with this other one. Yeah. So charger, which charges the internal battery in the computer. Power going in there. This one has no power going into it. There's only two plugs entirely because it's taking the power from the indoor solar panel. And then we switch on. So these boxes are up. This box is up. The Dell's got as far as loading Windows. So it's a Server 2003 in this one. This one's up and running. I'll just put that back over there a moment and you can watch the Dell. Still not quite loaded yet. Still the operating system. So the computer without finally doing something. So running around the back, as it's doing that. Power goes in there into the UPS, out feeding the server. The other one is out of a solar panel into the box of tricks, and the other one is out the mains into the adapter that comes with the server. This one's still starting up. He's got. Just to show you the next trick, what I'll do is, so we're currently taking £73 a year in electricity. But what it's actually doing in this, it's normally less, but this is a new machine that's charging up the internal batteries that normally go from solar. If I physically unplug it now, so no power going into it at all. Yep. Go around this side, everything stays up and working. So I'll leave that with no power. This one you can't unpower because it's solar, and this one's still booting up, which we're nearly there. So I'll let that go. Just show you it's still actually live. Do something. So, yeah. System's still up. That one's not plugged in anymore. Yep. Physically unplugged. So now the power consumption is just down to, in fact I'll unplug this charger just to show you, which is that one. So, charger unplugged, we've only got now the monitor plugged in. Just to give you an idea, so the power consumption is now dropped down to, if you can see that in the light, £26 a year. Press that, it will show you what it currently runs. I'll go around the other side, the light will be better. So, £2.20 per month, click £26 a year, that's just for the monitor. Computers doesn't take anything because it's physically unplugged. So it's unplugged there. This one's still running, and this one's finally at the login screen. So I'll just put a name and password in. So the Dell's actually a file server we've just taken out of a customer to replace it with one of the low wattage solar ready servers. So we're taking this one out and putting this one in. Yeah, that machine's still running. This one's logged on, and just run an application with it. Obviously a lot slower than one of our modern machines. Put a video on that one. Put something on this one. This one's already got something running. So that's that machine up. Yeah. So that's that. There it goes. So, point of the demonstration was to show you what happens when you lose power. So we've unplugged this one. Yeah, so that's physically unplugged. That one has nothing to plug in, that's running off the solar. And then if we go to this one and pull out the mains from the UPS, bad demonstration because it died instantly. This is drawing more power than this 700 watt UPS, if you can see the number. But effectively this machine starts off with a power supply that takes more power than a standard small UPS and dies. This one over here goes and goes and goes. Normally it lasts about 3 hours. What it's doing at the moment, it will last about 4.5, maybe 5, but if 25 users are using it, all remote desktop machines, you get about 3 to 4 hours. This one will run forever. This one's dead. So it's gone. Yeah. Drops out. Plug it back in. So that's that. Right.